Hi everyone, I'm Sue. Welcome to my channel. Several months ago, I started learning and researching LLM, and I built several toy projects using datasets that I found from online courses, Kaggle competitions, articles, but none of them feel like something I could probably put on my resume and say, hey, I've solved a real-world problem using this. To do LLM projects, whether you want to summarize tutorials or build a chatbot or RAG, most of the time you will need a text dataset that is relevant to a specific topic. And that's how I thought about YouTube transcripts. It is a goldmine of information covering every topic imaginable. Today I'm going to show you how to fetch YouTube transcripts in simple Python code to kickstart your first large language project. And I will link my code down below. Let's assume that you already know which video you want to download. The video ID is just the last part of your YouTube URL stream. The first method that I'm going to introduce is YouTube Loader from LangChain community. It returns a document object that works perfectly with LangChain text processor and vector databases. So if you're building a LangChain app, you can probably consider this method first. The second method is YouTube Transcript API. If you prefer a more flexible and faster solution without the overhead of LangChain community, you can use this one. It's super easy. It provides raw text for further processing. Another tool I want to mention is called yt-dlp. It scrapes YouTube website and download the transcripts directly to your local machine. In this example, it's kind of annoying because I always see this warning. And it's usually slower because it requires parsing on YouTube website. So I didn't personally pursue this method. What I really want to mention is for the situation where you don't know which video you want to download and you just want to search for it, yt-dlp is actually very powerful. This is an example that allows you to search for 10 different YouTube videos and return their URLs and other metadata. You can further use this metadata for your filtering. I like yt-dlp because it doesn't require API key for searching. The other tool that doesn't require API key is YouTube Search. It's easy to use, lightweight, and fast, but it doesn't provide stats or metadata like views, likes, or channel info, so you can't do any filtering with it. Last but not least, the official way to search YouTube videos and get metadata is through the YouTube Data API. You can set up your API key through Google Cloud Console. Here, after you create your own project, you just come to APIs and services, click Credentials, and click Create Credentials to generate your own API keys that you can use to search. Please note that YouTube Data API allows you to retrieve video details, metadata, and captions only if creator uploaded them as a separate file. But it doesn't provide auto-generated transcripts. You will still need to use YouTube Transcript API to fetch them. YouTube Data API is reliable and official, but it requires API key setup and it has rate limited on your usage. My recommendation to you is that if you want to search videos, consider using YouTube Data API plus YouTube Transcript API first. But if you already know your YouTube ID, then YouTube Transcript API is probably sufficient. And that's it! Now you have a great way to work with real-world data for your LLM project. In my next video, I'm going to walk you through simple LLM projects that you can build using the YouTube transcript that you just download. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know down below in a comment how I can help you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Hi everyone, I'm Sue. Hi everyone, I'm Sue. Welcome to my channel. It is too fast.